Welcome to Florida Outdoor Adventures, another video, install video this time with Massimo, the man from Japan. He just flew in from Tokyo this morning to set this up. It's a motorcycle smart screen, Apple CarPlay, Android, we'll see. Alright, here's the box. Let's do an unboxing. Here's the tools required, maybe a few more of these. Let's open it up. Touchscreen and IP67 waterproof. Motorcycle smart screen. It's a nice size. It has the shade on it, I can tell already. Oh look, it has the ram ball mounts, that's great. Alright, let's see what else mounting comes with this. Alright, hopefully it's a simple install, at least that's what I told Massimo, or else he'll kill me. Just 2 wires, and here is the mounting hardware. Some zip ties and a mini Phillips screwdriver and a locking nut. Alright, let's get to work. I'm thinking up here is ideal. I know sometimes these start moving downwards over time in vibration.
Too high.
It'll be like that. It'll be too high, right?
Too high. Has to be.
Or maybe like
exactly.
That.
Yes.
Something like that. Yeah. Okay. Out with the old. Which this system works perfectly fine. I love it. I have a USB cable that I connect right here. But let's see how much better the screen is. Massimo measured the screen. It's 8 inches, right? Yep. Massimo, what are you doing, man? So we have to wait till we finish. This might not be needed, but I'm just gonna do it ahead of time. This radiator hose, I guess, automotive hose, just to see if I could stop it from vibrating around. Yeah, that's a nice, perfect fit, Massimo. Look at that. Wow.
Okay, wait.
Yeah, that's better. Yep.
Okay. Looks good. Open it.
Yeah, right there.
Too high?
No, right there, good.
Okay, and then we tie the nut and then we're going to bend it a little bit down.
If it stays there, that would be great.
It's touching here.
Yeah. There's only one way to test it, riding it, and if it moves, I'll try to tighten it a different way. Alright, let's take off the battery side panel. This is a Yamaha Super 10A 1200. In my opinion, the best motorcycle, touring motorcycle out there. You're the expert with the accessory positive. Okay, Massimo found a good positive, which is controlling this light bar, which only turns on when the bike is on. So that's exactly what I want, and then that way it won't drain the battery. Let's connect the back here of this one. Maybe right here. Yep. Alright, both wires. Luckily, Massimo knows all the wiring on these Yamahas.
This is
Blue
and black.
Blue and black.
Under the key.
Under the key power. Okay, perfect. So we don't have to go to the battery. Hopefully nothing drains the battery. Let's go ahead and turn this on.
Leave it this one
Off, yeah.
off.
I'm going to take the screen protector off. Oh, very nice.
Yes. Woo! Look at that.
Oh, that's great. Okay, my iPhone found it right away without really even reading the instructions yet. So far, I love it. It just paired right away. Check this out, Massimo. So we have navigation now. We have, let's go to Spotify.
Music.
Yep. Phone. And let's go. This is a Gaia GPS for off-road, Massimo. I highly recommend it. Okay.
Nice.
I think that's it, man.
Very nice.
What an easy install. As long as you find the wires, you could also connect it to the battery and then find a way to disconnect it with something else. All right, so let's put an address. Let's go to Sushi Saki. Let's start. Oh man, it's just like the car.
Wow, 8 inches, very wide.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, as long as it doesn't vibrate too far down or up. I think it shouldn't, but we'll see. And there's only one way to find out, is to go for a ride later on after we finish up here, tidy up. So we'll see you then. As always, I will leave links down below.
Battery, your phone, everything.
Yeah, it's just like the CarPlay in the car. Yep, yep, I love it. I'll put a link for this in the description and maybe a couple other things, but so far, very, very nice. Well, Massimo, thank you again, brother. Have a safe flight back to Tokyo.
Okay.
The moment of truth now. We're gonna see if this thing works. I have my phone in my pocket.
Dale, start. Let's go.
Brickell City Center.
Start. Go. Nice.
All right, let me put on my.
Tiene buen view. Tremendo view.
Yeah, and it's bright. Very nice.
Right.
Yep. Let's put some music on. I'm hearing it now on my headset. Okay, yeah. Perfect. All right, buddy. Gracias, Massimo. Nos vemos en Italia.
Nos vemos en Italia. Dale suave, despacio.
Yeah. And don't forget, this is Lady Fire, not hot chili. Okay, we have about a 40-minute ride to Miami, to downtown Miami. We're gonna hit some normal roads and we're gonna hit some highways. Very nice screen, very easy to see everything, clear. Let's see if there's still some sunlight, some strong sun, to see if it glares at all, but so far it's perfect. Also want to see if it moves up or down. I put that hose material right there to just to make it a little bit tighter. So far so good. Okay, we're getting some good speeds here. You can see very little vibration. It has not moved down. That was my biggest fear, for it to start flopping down this way. So the attachment point is just fine here on the Super Thinner Day. Very visible. I got the sun to my right behind me. Really impressed. Welcome to downtown Miami, Miami Police Department headquarters, not the police department. Downtown Miami headquarters of Ford Outdoor Adventures for now. Okay, complete success with the motorcycle screen, smart screen, CarPlay. I love it. I'll leave you a link in the description for this item. And big thanks to Massimo for helping me today with the installation. But it's very easy, just 2 cables, black and red, power and negative, and that's it. And just put it somewhere that's convenient for your motorcycle. Once again, thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.